PlaneSavers 2.1. This could be season 3. Here we are in Manitoba, the latest Buffalo purchase tanker 256, a Series 1 CL215. It's law here in Manitoba to wear white camo when you're trying to sneak up on a flock of 215s here. We got Ken Bell with us from Manitoba government. Howdy. He's gonna help us get these birds going. Hop in this old girl and see what it needs. 1970s vintage, serial number 20. So this airplane has sat for about 10 years. So we got a bit of mouse contamination, but most everything's here. It's going to be an easy project compared to old DTD. We just got to round up some parts that were removed to get other airplanes flying. A few instruments, fresh oil, fresh fuel, fresh spark plugs. Hit that button right there and start her up. And we're going to get it flying. Take it to Red Deer.
Welcome to Season 2, Episode 28 of PlaneSavers! That's right, folks. Jay has found a CL215. Actually, my father purchased a CL215 from the Manitoba government. It is kind of cold there, so we will be saving that airplane. It hasn't flown about 10 years. Very, very soon. Technically not really a plane saver because it's my father bought it. But anyway, regardless, we can now follow in the spring when Dusty and Jay go to save that airplane. It's not too crazy, but we can see what it takes to get an airplane flying after 10 years of being in storage. Speaking of being in storage, actually I don't even know if that segue works. Benjamin, I have a huge surprise for you.
You do?
Huge.
A huge surprise.
Yes. Okay, first we gotta do some time traveling to put this in context. So 7 minutes. Something is
being auctioned
off, and it's going to be huge. So this is coming in out of my own money. Of course, this is not. We're not using PlaneSaver money on this, but in 6 minutes, we're going to be seeing if we can win something off eBay that is insanely cool.
Yeah, let's do now.
Confirmed bid, €850. We are the highest bidder. So, you know what I'm going to do is, okay, we're still high bidder. There's 1 minute left. We're going to save this footage. We're going to do a little bit of a time travel, and we're going to time travel to when this item shows up, and we'll do an unboxing, and so we can keep it all in one video. Yes!
Oh, yeah.
We won it. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Nice.
Okay, so now what did we just buy? So I guess we got to do the time travel. Remember the old time travel season 1? Ready? Okay, Benjamin, what does that mean?
Is it related with eBay?
It's here.
I think, guys.
Do you know where it is?
Probably over there or over there.
It's in the Fokker.
It's in the Fokker.
It's in the Fokker.
Oh my god. Today, guys, we're making history. If you didn't know already.
No, I don't think anyone knows yet. Oh, also, before, there's a Christmas gift underneath the Christmas tree for you, too. But we'll get to that later.
For me, too?
There it is. This Willie Matt, this is for everybody.
So there you go. Mikey McBryan, handwritten.
I think this is it. I haven't opened it. So let's head back and let's open it. And then when we're done, Christmas gift, which isn't too exciting, honestly.
Oh, sorry.
But we'll see how the 2 ribs went from the other day. But this is big stuff here, folks. This is huge.
Belgium.
So, and remember, folks, I bought this with my own money. This isn't the donation money or anything like this. Speaking of raising money, the eBay items, the rib. This is Chucky's rib, but the rib I'll be showing the picture right now. That rib right there is on eBay. It's up to about $500 and some. The cat collar is around $200. And our Christmas ornament is around $175. So thank you guys for all those eBay items. Speaking of that, we bought our own eBay items again, not with that money, with my own money, as this is a piece of history, folks. Woo. Benjamin's excited. What is it?
What is it? All right, do you have a knife? A
knife? My mom won't let me have a knife. Surprisingly, my mom's actually coming to Yellowknife for my birthday on Wednesday, so
Oh.
she'll be here.
That's tomorrow.
That's tomorrow.
How do you feel one day before your birthday?
Older.
Older.
How do you say 30 in French? Trois? Trent?
30.
Tron?
30.
Tron? Set.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There
I'm
you
trois,
go.
Tron set. I'm probably saying that really with a great accent. Okay. This is it, folks. No.
Oh.
What is in here?
An envelope in an envelope. Perfect. Always double check. Oh, yeah, it's pretty heavy. There's a lot of things in that. So he said he would send some special items too, right? I'm stressed.
What's going on? What's in your head?
I'm stressed. I need to be very careful. So, oh,
Is that in French?
that's in French, yeah.
It's in French.
C'est français. All right, there you go.
So what's on the cover here?
So that's
What does it say? It says the cat is an amateur.
Le ch'ti, le ch'ti as aviateur Première Guerre mondiale. So that's from the. Yeah, I know what's a ch'ti. It's hard to explain. It's like some people in France and near
Oh, it's like a
Belgium.
group
Yeah.
of people.
Yeah, in
Okay.
Dunkirk, the beach.
Oh, okay.
It's
So
full of
it's
people,
it's like an area that also describes a person.
It's like Quebec. It's like if you say Quebec.
Nothing's like Quebec.
Nothing's like Quebec. Oh my god. Alright, so there you go. There's a description in French of our object.
Okay. Regardless, let's go. Let's get to the money
Yeah.
shot here.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, so that's a little comic book. And then. Description.
Who's that guy?
I don't know. That's the guy who found it, I think.
There we go, folks. There it is. Look at that. Do you know what that is?
It's a piece from the Red Baron.
That
The
is an
Red
actual
Baron.
piece of the fabric of the Red Baron that was salvaged in France after he crashed, went to Australia, become part of a collection, and was picked up by a guy in Belgium who had it part of his collection and was selling it as a charity event.
Yeah.
To help a child put in bone lengthening thing. He had one
Yeah.
leg a little bit shorter due to an injury. He's going to have two legs the same size, and the proceeds went to that, and we bought that. That is an actual piece of the Red Baron.
I'll translate all of this for your description. Maybe
Yeah.
in the video if you
Yeah,
want to read
yeah.
it or whatever.
This is it.
That's. Oh.
How about shake it out?
You want to take it out?
Yeah, we got to take it out. We got.
Oh my god. I would put gloves on. Maybe it's just here. Oh yeah, there you go. I would keep it like that.
Is it sealed in there?
No, probably not.
Here, I just want to touch it.
You want to touch the Red Baron?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give you the honor. I'll just.
You see how nervous he is, folks? That is very cool. So a piece of the Red Baron. This piece will be going on our Fokker, meaning that our Fokker might be the most original DR1, regardless of what we do. It might have the most original parts. There may be Fokkers out there with some Red Baron parts on it, but we're gonna
be on the dash. So.
we're gonna put it on the dash. We have a plan to put it in a kind of a plaque thing on the dash, but here we go.
Be careful. I'll take it out.
There we go, folks. The Red Baron.
How do you feel?
That's
Hey, Ron.
crazy. Look at that, Rod.
You guys are touching it?
Yeah, he wants to touch it. You just touched history right there.
Isn't that crazy?
That's a piece of the Red Baron.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the real Red Baron.
So maybe you should put it in glass or something.
Yeah, we'll
Oh
put
yeah,
it
we were
back.
working on it. I even, we got some plexiglass and we got some UV protectant. It's going to be like an old hockey card, Wayne Gretzky rookie card from way back in the day. It's a lot older.
I think I can see the outline of an old 303 British shell.
Really, eh?
Yeah, from a collection in Belgium.
Gee, and how much for that?
€500.
How much is that?
That's quite a bit.
It's quite a bit.
That's the actual
Yeah.
piece, eh? Really?
Yeah. Oh, you received? Wow. Crazy. It's gonna be with you when you fly around. Wow. No, it's pretty crazy to be that close to the Red Baron. Like that actually flew beside him. All these trips with his triplane shooting down people. The fact that the red is still here and we have no color pictures of the Red Baron, that's an actual indication that his plane was red. So that's pretty neat.
Yeah, careful with that, 'cause that stuff, that cloth, it rots, eh? That's the problem.
Yeah, that'd be
with
kind of
cloth.
weird if it was like orange and they were like,
The
it was,
orange baron.
It was the orange baron the entire time.
The blue baron.
The blue baron.
The blue bear.
That's very cool. So we'll be taking that piece of history and putting it into the dash of our aircraft. So in Oshkosh, if we can make it, everybody that comes to Oshkosh gets to sit in the cockpit. Cockpit can see that item, kind of like a flying part of the museum, which is kind of cool. So that's what the whole thing is if we can get this all done, get it to Oshkosh, you who are watching this right now can come see the airplane and see the piece, whole 9 yards. It'd be awesome. That's why we're doing this. Okay, folks, our first Christmas gift of the season came in. We got it from a viewer. Just some simple stuff. We got some weird syringes for some glue.
Alright.
But we got, he sent some of these big syringes.
Okay.
Look at this for Benjamin to try out. So thank you.
That's pretty cool.
First Christmas gift of the season. So we'll be trying that. Benjamin, you want to go try to get these ribs out?
Yeah, why not?
Fast-paced episode. We got some of these that were done. Birthday tomorrow, so there won't be an episode tomorrow, and probably not Thursday. So our next episode will be Friday. Hope you guys are liking this. It's been very fun. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There we go. Oh, like butter.
Like butter. Let's take this one.
Boop, pops right out.
There you go.
So the 2 ribs popping out. Got the system in place.
Yes. So now we'll clean the ribs and hang all of them in the wall. It's gonna be pretty cool.
There we go, up here, folks. So there you go, folks. Thank you for joining us on today's episode. Hope you liked it. It was a very quick one. We had a lot of fun. So, yeah, I guess we'll be seeing you in the next one. What are we going to do in the next episode? We're going to do just ribs and ribs and ribs, eh?
I don't know. Wasn't there a special announcement for the next episode?
I don't know if there's a special announcement.
Is
You
there?
can't be, that's...
Cliffhanger.
Can't lift these clips. I don't even know. I didn't even know. Anyway. So thank you, Jay, for sending that footage. Thank you, everybody, for watching today. Have a great day wherever in the world you are, and we'll be seeing you next episode very, very soon, and we'll be doing some crazy stuff, as we always do. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, all that fun stuff, so you can know when we're doing our fun stuff. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.